So what got you into crypto?
For me, more on diversified, no? Merong stocks, not into so much like Ciprix na talagang hardcore sa crypto, but I'm well diversified, no? I have stocks, I have crypto. Personally kasi I'm entrepreneur, so I have my own firm, no? Accountancy firm, which I'm working with my wife. I'm also into real estate. So for me, siguro ang best description sa akin is that multiple source of income, but more on passionately active in trading in that sense. Na why I'm into trading because of the satisfaction of making your money work for you in a passive and active manner. Kasi tayo naman, ang trading naman kasi not totally passive yan di ba? Tatrabahuhin mo yan, di ba? You have to research, you have to execute the plan, and you have to stick to it. Parang sa akin, more on additional source of capital appreciation, additional source of income, and at the same time, passionately sharing what I love to do. No, kaya nga ako may sarili kong program, which I started 2018. Kasi yung talent ko is more on, aside from trading, no, is teaching people how did I do this, kasi I'm a CPA by profession, di ba, and auditor as well. So kanya-kanya tayo ng kanya-kanya tayo ng specialization, kanya-kanya tayo ng parang natural na talent. Sa akin yung pagiging auditor ko, nagamit ko talaga sa trading yung due diligence, yung analyze ng chart, yung disclosure. So combination of all for me na-share ko yon since 2015 pa sa Investa, tapos sa CI program. So na applicable naman doon sa katulad ko rin na may ginagawa ang iba, hindi lang trading. Correct. So, kasi ang hirap pagka wala kang system in place na sustainable, tapos gagawin mo to simultaneous sa business mo, hindi ka magiging successful So, ang system para talaga mag-work siya to the period of years para maging consistent yung output mo. Kailangan, parang business yan For me, tinitignan ko rin kasi ang trading as business. Being an entrepreneur, ang approach ko sa trading, parang business, may internal control in place. Bawat step, meron talagang mga safeguards.